Okay, today, students, I will teach you about how Earth's tilted axle and rotation causes the seasons. A huge misconception on this topic is that the distance of the sun is what affects the seasons, but in actuality, the sun's rays affect the seasons. When the North Pole leans away from the sun, the rays spread out over a larger area. This lessens the amount of energy the Earth receives, which in turn causes the days to be shorter and the weather to be colder, also known as winter. When the Earth is closer to the sun, the days and nights all last a perfect 12 hours each. This position is called the equinox. During the equinox, spring and fall occur. As the Earth continues to orbit, it changes to another position called the solstice. In this position, the Earth is at the farthest point from the sun. During the solstice, the summer and winter occur. To help further explain my point, I will now conduct an experiment to show you the difference between an equinox and a solstice. This is a representation of the equinox. This shows how the sun's rays are focused on Earth's surface more intensely as it's closer. As the Earth continues its orbit around the sun, it gets further away, thus entering the position of solstice. Notice how now the light is more spread out and it covers more ground, but it's less intense. Ever wonder why a full moon always varies in size? It's not that it's shrinking or growing. It's just that it's getting farther or closer. There are two main positions in the moon's orbit that we pay notice to. The first is when the moon is very close and it looks big. This position is called a perigee. When the moon is closer, its gravitational pull is stronger, causing higher tides. The second position, which is the opposite of a perigee, is an apogee. An apogee is when the moon appears to be smaller and further. Unlike the perigee, this position has a weaker gravitational effect on the Earth, resulting in lower tides. In conclusion, the reason why we have seasons on Earth is because of its orbit around the sun.